G'day and welcome. My name's Jim and today we're going to be fixing some damage. I'm not sure if this was done by a rat or it's been pinched. Looks like it might have been pinched because half of these are cut off. Hello bully, how are you? Yes, you're a good boy. Now up to one side, sweet pies, because come on, get out of it. So what we're going to do is, this is too badly damaged, I reckon, to just join these coupled together. So I'm going to cut this off like such. Now that should be enough to still get to my bloody plug, my plug hole. And we're just going to peel off some of this bloody insulation and do the same with these as well. Oh, look at that, it's got, wow, what's going on here? Oh no, that's just a bloody rope in there. I actually thought it was insulation with no wire in the center of it. So we're going to do the same to this one down here. Right. Just going to strip all the ends of these wires off. Listen to all the bloody noise around here. Christ almighty. Trucks galore. Rest of our plug here. And got a little bit of a gap down the bottom here, so we'll chuck some shrink wrap on that bit. See if we've got one the right size. Unless I go upstairs and grab some different shit. It's a nice big semi-trailer. There we go. Shove that on there like that. Nice. Nice. Alright. We're going to pull this back a bit more, give us more room to work with. Like such. And this piece of string here, we're going to piss this thing off. So latest news is we might have found a house. Well, it's not really a house, it's more of a shed sort of a thing, converted to a house. I don't know, it's all a giant pain in the effing ass. Everything's got to be so difficult and so fucking complicated all the time. So we're just gonna see how it goes. In other news, I am studying for my amateur radio license, which this means I can basically talk all over the world on the radio. Is this one fucking fucked up as well? I think it's still okay-ish. I think that bit's still alright, so put that on. Now we need to strip these. So yeah, studying for my amateur radio license, something I wanted to do for bloody many years. I used to be a pirate back in the noughties. A pirate in the noughties. That's the 90s. Yeah. I got into radio for quite a while. It was quite good. Quite expensive. Like every bloody hobby. Okay, done some of those up. Now, we need lots of bits of these. Might help if I twist them properly. Now, unfortunately, I don't have all the colours. If I would have brought down my other lot of shrink wrap, I have all the colours of the rainbow. But I left them up there because it's a giant ball like this. So if ever you're doing soldering, get yourself some flux. It really helps a lot. I hate these fucking soldering irons. I want to get a soldering gun. You press the trigger and it takes like 6 seconds to get as hot as a fuck. Yay, about time. There you go. Got it. And in the meantime, it's fucking made all me shrink wrap shrink. That sucks. I hate that. Definitely should have done them longer, taken the insulation off them more. twist this up. Not too badly though, that's a bit bad. Twist it up a little bit, just to group them together. And place stuff the sausage. Come on. Well, gotcha. Yes, look at that. Bloody beautiful. Nice. Now, wait for that to cool down for a couple of seconds. And let's see if we can shove this on. Make sure you do wait till it cools, because otherwise you might be stuffed up. That there like that. That one like that. See if we get one to go inside the other in a sec. There you go, we now have a fixed trailer light cable. Wait till that stupid fucking truck goes past. That's it. Alright, well, you'll be good. Stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. Oh, scary dog. Oh, vicious. Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon, where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you could turn it up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music! Techno.
Cosmopolitan Railway.